Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys products to avoid when you guys are doing product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls. And this is also the place where other Amazon sellers network and learn from each other, right? So with that said, here's my video, and I'm going to show you guys how or what products to avoid when doing product research for your business. So here's example number one. So this is a makeup, right? Makeup, yeah. So it's um, a facial powder for women. So the problem with this one is that the supplier, right? The supplier's website is not available. It might even be suspicious. So I would take this website, and then what I usually like to do is I review the website. I think I went too fast, so I would review, and then type the website. And then I usually like to look for the reviews of the website, right? So I usually look at Trustpilot and other review websites out there. So I think this one has a Yelp. This one has a Yelp website. So let's see if this is the same one. Ladies and Gents NY. I don't think it's the same one. Wait a second. Ladiesandgents.com. Yeah, this one's different. So this is not it. But yeah, so the main problem with this website though is that it's not even working. So we can't really use this website, right, when doing our product research. So yeah, that's a problem with this one. So this one we're gonna have to skip, right? Next product, it's a Kiehl's anti-aging face and neck cream. So this one is about $35 in Walmart. So we would plug in the cost, right? If you guys watched my other videos, I shared how to do product research using Seller Amp. So if you guys don't know how to do that, I would refer back to my Seller Amp training videos. So as far as product research, you guys would have to plug in the cost here, right? So $35 here. And then the sale price is $51.49. So the problem with this one is that it's giving you a low ROI on the product. Why is my Seller Amp not working? Sorry, let me refresh this page real quick. Second. Yeah, so the problem with this one is that the ROI is really low. It's a 6%. And when you scroll down on the other sellers, so the first, I want to say, first 5 sellers are pricing this between 51.45 to 52.51, which gives you an ROI of 6 to 9%. So I think this one is kind of on the low side, right? So this one I would stay away from because it's giving you a low ROI. I mean, you have the option to price higher. So, for example, this seller here, right, is pricing this product at $68. Right there, it's giving him or her a 47% ROI. I mean, you have that option, but yeah, the first 5 sellers are giving you a low ROI. So, yeah. Next one. So this one is, what is this? So it's a Modern Masters. It's a paint. It's a paint for $9.85, right? So again, we plug in the cost here on your Seller Amp, $9.85, and then the sale price is $24. It's giving you a pretty good ROI. It's giving you a 38% ROI, which is really good, right? Because we usually aim for at least 20%. This one is on the high side. But the issue here is the sale of this product per month, right? So here it's showing 133 sales a month. which seems a lot, but then if you really want to go deeper, this one is a variation. So we need to find the exact sale per month of this variation. So I would go down the list, or on seller amp, I mean, and then I would go under variations. Oh, sorry, let me refresh this again real quick, because my seller amp is acting out. Sorry, guys. So again, right, this product is selling at 134 times a month, but it's a variation. So I would go down to variations. So here, under variations tab, I would pick the variation, which is this one, teal, right? And then from here, I would click on check. So as you guys can see here, right, the color teal is only getting 4% of all the sales. So now we would go get 4% of this number, right? So I would pull up the calculator. So 134. So 134, right, times 4%, which is 0.04. So this product is only selling at 5 times a month. This thing is really low, 5 sales a month. So let's look at the other sellers. I mean, the competition for this one is pretty decent. There's not many sellers here, right? There's only 4 sellers here with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 12 pieces of inventory. So this one's not even too bad, but 5 sales per month though is, is such a low number. So I don't want to be stuck with this product that's only selling 5 times a month, even if it's giving me a pretty high ROI. If you look at the Keepa chart, I mean, it's pretty good, it's pretty stable. Review count is going up, which means people are getting it. So, but then still, right? 5 sales a month is pretty low. And then that's the reason why I would stay away from this product. Next one. Next product is this McFarlane Toys. So it's just a toy set for $43. So if you plug in the cost, right, $43. So everything looks good here as far as the data. ROI is 80%. Sales per month is about 35 sales a month. But the problem here, though, is that this website, I think, is bogus. So if you look up brawleystores.com, right? So again, you copy the website, and then you go to Google, type review, and then paste the website. And then from here, it's going to pull up different review websites. What happened there? Do it again. Brawley Stores. So let's open up this one. So this website is reviewing brawleystores.com, which is not really giving it any good reviews, right? So yeah, I'm not gonna trust this website right here. I usually like to go to Trustpilot. Let's see, Trustpilot.com also. And then I can search that exact website. Yeah. So yeah, this website is pretty suspicious. So I'm gonna skip this one because I don't want to buy a product from a bogus website, and then and then they just steal my money. So again, I hope you guys got value from my video, and if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm gonna post the link in my description below. And that way, you guys can join my group where I do my free weekly calls. And also, it's a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So, with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.